JMC financial courses, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, derivative courses, foreign exchange courses, and above all, most popular WD GAN advanced course. We are not going to stop here. They are the courses, finance courses for non-finance community. So welcome to JMC financial courses. Hello students, welcome to financial management. Let's start. What is the goal of financial management? The goal of financial management is to maximizing the wealth of the company. Maximizing the wealth of the company by reducing the cost of capital. That is the goal, or all other activities are just wrapped around it. Okay, let's take few good companies which have generated a wealth, they have generated a capital, they have generated a value in the company. Let's start. T-Series. T-Series, why on top? The story of Gulshan Kumar is close to my heart. He was the guy who made a very small product of cassettes selling at the rate of 10 and selling to the masses, and within a very short period T-Series was approx 250 to 300 crores in those days in India. Walmarts, I love Sam, from $25,000 to richest man. Whenever I teach debt and equity, I take an example of Sam. I used to say that he started his business with $25,000, $5,000 was his own saving, and $20,000 he borrowed from his father-in-law. I asked the students that this $20,000 are the debt or the equity. Some says it's equity, some says it's a debt. But I say my answer is, if the company runs successfully and manage to scale up, then it is a debt which will be paid back to father-in-law. If the company fails, it's an equity. It's gone. For few seconds, students don't understand what I have said, that then I realize them that I cracked a job, then they laugh a lot. Oh, father-in-law. I love Nestle. I love Nescafe. Not Nescafe, they are different blends also. Not good coffee, they are the many variety of better coffees. I drink more than 3, 4, 5, 6 coffees in a day. I love Nestle. Cadbury's. Cadbury's not just for children, not for the teenagers, not for the young couples, not for the matured people, not for the old people. It's for everyone. Wonderful packing, big pack, and some very good taste, and which is going to attract everyone. It's easy to carry, it's easy to hold, and easy to exchange. And every time when we offer a chocolate to someone, it's really not a product or not a commodity. It's expressing the love. Expressing the love. You need not to say I love you. This is a chocolate for you. The way they have done so much work in advertisement, that's wonderful. I love Amazon. Why Amazon? I love discounts. So I like this company. Above all, I can buy anything from Amazon. I can sell anything on Amazon. Reliance Jio. After the introduction of Jio, a big competition, becomes a very competitive market, and that was really an advantage to all the clients. I started using my mobile as my computer, started checking the mails, communicating through it. I'm using WhatsApp day and night, and then I keep tracking the price of stock market on Jio. I like Bharti also, but after the Jio has entered into this field, competition of these two big companies has really rewarded us to do more and more jobs on the net, mobile net. I like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. Why these three companies or more like these companies? Because what we used to dream in 90s, these companies, because of the efforts of these companies, that has become the reality. That has really become the reality. And I don't want to miss the name of Microsoft, Bill Gates. Bill Gates is a true human being. True human, not because he provided us the operating system to run our computers, but he is a very vibrant man. You talk about any social activity, he's there. He's ready to help anyone. He's ready to donate. He really wants to participate from front. I like Eicher. I like Maruti. I like Bata. But I like Bajaj Finance, Indraprastha Gas, Muthu Finance, Avanti Feeds, Bajaj FinServ, Trent, Atul, Manappuram Finance, SRF, InfoEdge, and many companies. Really, the appreciation or creation of the wealth really attracted me towards the stock market. I could have the faith that in stock market the money can be made just by because of these numbers. The first company, that was the Eicher. It was MRF, and there was a pharma company which is about trading at 14,000. These companies really attracted all investors to invest money in stock market. Disney. Who can miss the name? Who can miss the animation films, the games, and the roller coasters, swings? Disney. Disney was the favorite of my father. Disney is favorite of my child. And above all, I want to name Google. Google is the competitor of Google. YouTube is competing with Google search. There is no third competitor. Google is really a Google. I love these all companies. We'll talk about what would be the future companies, how to identify these companies, and what are the goals, how to do all the Excel sheets by making it the optimum level of cost of capital, how we can increase, what are the threats to the companies of bankruptcy or takeover or whatever other challenges of working capital or competition with the peer group, how to perform better, how to acquire the market share, how to increase the market share, how to be the blue chip, how we can have with a very small profits, how we can multiply our P ratio, how the better multiplier we can avail by performing so much, how the trust can be generated within our investor as well as towards the clients, how we can do that all. We'll talk in detail about. It's not only for those who are MBA students, those who are the chartered accountants, those who are doing ICA, WA, or those who are into company secretary, whatever they were doing. It's not limited to them. This is open for all